2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof long wheelbase with 14,000 miles. Beautiful white, gray vinyl interior, power windows, power door locks, mirrors, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Check out your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel with tire thread. Here's that 10-30 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does have a dent right here in the corner. Boom. A little dent here and here. Looks like from the inside out. Got a heavy scratch up here. And that's pretty much it. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Steel wheel. Tire thread is at 6-30 seconds. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, you got power mirrors. Hit your front driver's seat. All those tears and rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with the 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM stereo system. Got your AC controls right down below. That's what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 14,686. There's my backup camera. There it is. On the lights. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper. A bit of a dent there, it looks like. Gotta be changed back there. Other than that, we look pretty good. I have a dent here in this door. 3, 6, about 9 inches there. Everything else looks pretty good. Got a little button there, opens that. Pushes this button, unlocks it. This is of course what your rear cargo area looks like. You see any, it's pretty good. Just have a dent there. And some scratches over there. Might even be a dent on that. This here looks pretty good. This is your rear. The other side of the door looks good. Looks good, looks good. Has a dent right here. About 5 inches. Continues this way. Another dent over here. Got some scuffing on the molding piece as well. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. The tire thread is at 6-30 seconds. Just seen this. This has a hole in it. Just check that out. A molding piece. This door looks pretty good. Here. Side cargo area looking good. Love the way the LEDs shine. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat. I mean the other side of the passenger seat. Front fender looks pretty good. Front passenger steel wheel looks good. Yeah, tire thread is at 9-30 seconds. Pretty much it. Got lights on. I gotta check out the roof. 1 second, folks. And here we got a nice shot of your roof. As you can see, I don't see any damage up here. We look good. Very nice. Very, very nice. Alright, that pretty much is it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof long wheelbase with 14,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.